Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to turn on dark mode on Facebook in 2025. Dark mode makes your screen easier on the eyes, especially at night, and it also gives the app a sleek look. First, open the Facebook app on your phone and log in. Then, tap on the menu icon, which is the three horizontal lines in the top right corner of your screen. Next, scroll down and select Settings and Privacy. Here you'll see the dark mode option. Tap on it. You'll get three choices: on, off, or use system settings. If you pick on, dark mode will always be enabled in Facebook. If you choose use system settings, Facebook will match whatever theme your phone is currently using. Once you've selected your preferred option, you'll see the app instantly switch to dark mode. And that's it. It's how you enable dark mode on Facebook in 2025. Both on mobile and desktop. For more tutorials just like this one, make sure to check back again.